Yeah, guys, after trying a lot of times we got at least a solution which works for now. I would say at least for now. So we're going to fix it by doing some things like this. One of the things which can work is a little bit confusing to some people, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do first to make things work for us. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna say sudo apt update okay. After updating, it's gonna ask a password. Okay, then we're gonna recall the command and we make it upgrade. Okay. I say yes. Okay, the upgrade is done. So now we're gonna run another command, which you have to be very careful and attentive. You're gonna say sudo dpk g dash reconfigure. reconfigure. Okay, reconfigure like this. Then say space x server, then dash xo rg. I'm zooming in again to show you the commands. This is the command, very important. Okay, you've seen it, guys. Okay, you press enter now. Okay, after pressing enter, you're gonna go to another command. Let me zoom in. It's gonna be sudo. It's gonna say cat. You check in the xorg logs for any errors right here or warnings. So you say cat space var /log then /xorg. I'm sorry about the background noise. Dot 0.log, not 0.o, .log. See, the file is not found. So what does that mean? It means we spelled this not in the right way. What could be the issue? Log. Okay, we don't know. We're gonna try again. X, I made it a big X, of which we can make it small x. Okay, / xo. Okay, which is fine. And let me make it to 0. Or they may try it again. No such file. Okay, let me try to delete this. Make this a big capital. O .log. There's no such file. What we do? I'm gonna make it .0 .log. Okay, it means that file is not there on what I tried. Okay, that's fine. There's no problem because that's not a solution, just something to okay. Now we check for broken what packages. So what we're gonna do, and we're gonna broken packages can sometimes cause this. You can check and attempt to fix them, right? That's what we're gonna do. Sudo, we're gonna recall the command sudo. Okay, so sudo, then we say apt install, then we say -f. Okay, we've done that. Okay, that's good. Then after that, there's a couple of easy things we're going to do. Okay, sudo. Okay, let's check your user permissions. Okay, now we're gonna check the user permissions. We're gonna say sudo user mon -a capital G, then sudo, you put that username. Okay, say not found. Get me? So there's an issue with that. Also that, forget that. Okay, now once you're done with that, I'm gonna give you something which we can use now. Okay, this is something which is gonna work for us. Okay, after doing all those things, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna say sudo, you call sudo again, then you say system, then say ctml space restart, okay, space restart gdm. After that, we're gonna say okay. Wow, let me see what's going on. Something I'm doing wrong here. System ct, okay, ctl, not ctm. I'm sorry, my commands are wrong. There's no m there. Okay, enter. Once you press that, should work. Wow, guys, we got it right. So here I'm gonna then log in. Okay, yes, you can see now, we can see the desktop, everything is back, guys. You can see everything is back, everything is 100%. Yeah, well guys, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.